Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Facebook account. All you need to do now is to follow these simple steps. And basically, the first thing that you need to know that there is a difference between recovering a deleted and deactivated account. Of course, a deleted account cannot be recovered since it is permanently deleted. Otherwise, a deactivated account can be recovered. To do so, you will need just to follow these steps, and it is as simple as that. All you need to do is to log in into your account. So basically, you will need just to go to the Facebook website and you will be, of course, logged out since you have your Facebook account that will be deactivated. You're logging in and you will have your Facebook that will be logged in. And of course, they will need you to confirm your authentication, and then you will be able to reactivate your account. And of course, if you want to deactivate your account again, you will need just to go to the account settings or the account center. From here, you will need just to go to the settings, of course, settings and privacy settings, and going to the account center, and of course, personal details, account ownership, and here you go to the deletion, you choose your account, and basically you just deactivate your account and continue, etc., etc. So basically, those steps are as simple as that, and they will help you to recover or reactivate your the account or your Facebook account as easy as that. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.